Hi, I'm Sunny with WTI, and are you a person that lives by their organizer like I do, but you constantly find yourself losing your pen? Well, pick up this 10-pack adhesive pen loop set. Now, of course, there aren't 10 here, but I'm showing you all 5 colors, and you get 2 apiece of the pink, red, light blue, navy blue, and black. And once you attach this, you don't have to worry about losing your pen again. And the best part is it's so simple. You simply take your pen loop, remove the adhesive from the back, set your pen loop wherever you like it, press firmly, and insert your pen. And there you are, your pen loop, very firmly attached. It's not going anywhere. So stop losing your pen, get this 10-piece adhesive pen loop set, attach that pen right to your organizer, and you won't be disappointed. But that's my point of view.